What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you are not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I'm going to be doing a this or that food edition. I am a very indecisive person, so I know this is about to be a tad bit funny because I'm gonna have to be doing some explanation on stuff. No, the this and that challenge is basically me saying whether A or B. I have to say which one I prefer, and like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys my explanation as to why. Okay, let's get it. Vanilla chocolate, definitely 50-50. Definitely oh my god, 50-50. Cup or cone? Cone, you know the vibe, you're going to eat everything. Soft serve or hand dip? Sundae or scoop? Definitely sundae. Sprinkles or nut? Definitely sprinkles. Hot fudge or caramel? Caramel is the way to go. Waffles or pancake? Waffles. Donut or bagel? Definitely donut. Tacos or hamburgers? Definitely hamburgers. Tacos, I don't think tacos can really full belly. Chips or cookies? I'm going to say cookies. Cake or pie? Where I'm from, people don't really look about pie. It's either cake or pudding. So definitely cake for me. Pizza or salad? I never put the salad thing, you know. The salad thing enough for me. Pizza. Salad can't full belly? Salad can't full belly. Sometimes I wonder who create food, because the person who creates salad, wicked bad. Potato salad or pasta salad? Wow. 50-50. Rice or noodles? Definitely rice. Spaghetti or lasagna? 50-50. Chicken or beef? 50-50. I love them both, guys, so just bear with me. Bacon or sausage? Definitely bacon. I love sausage too, but definitely bacon. Apples or bananas? Apples. Broccoli or cauliflower? I'm going to go with broccoli. Chili or soup? I hate soup. I've never had chili before, so I don't know what to say about this one. Onions or peppers? Definitely onions. I hate peppers. I hate spicy food. Toast or bagels? Definitely toast. Corn or peas? Definitely corn, especially if it is sweet corn, period. Popcorn or pretzel? Definitely popcorn, because I don't really like pretzel. I don't like pretzel. McDonald's or KFC? No. It's not really a tricky one because McDonald's is not in Jamaica, but McDonald's when I'm overseas, definitely KFC when I'm in Jamaica. Pizza Hut or Domino's. Fun fact, I've never had Domino's pizza. Yeah, I've never had Domino's pizza, so it's definitely Pizza Hut for me. Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. Dunkin' Donuts when I'm overseas, Starbucks when I'm in Jamaica. Donuts or cupcakes. Definitely donuts. I'm not really a cupcake type of person. Ice cream or cotton candy. Definitely ice cream. Mayo or ketchup. This is 50-50, but I mean, on every food you can think of, ketchup can go on it other than mayo. So I'd probably say ketchup. Italian or Mexican. I've never had Italian food, but I've had Mexican food before. I'm gonna have to say Mexican. Chocolate or candy. Definitely chocolate. Nutella or peanut butter. Definitely peanut butter, baby. Spicy or mild. Definitely mild. I hate spicy food. Like fruits or vegetables. 50-50, to be honest. I love fruits and I love vegetables, so 50-50. Pineapples on pizza, pineapples off pizza. Definitely pineapples on pizza, sweetie, because who doesn't get pineapple on their pizza? Crispy cereal or soggy cereal. Definitely crispy cereal for me. I don't like soggy cereal. Pickles on burgers, no pickles on burgers. Definitely pickles. I love me some pickles. French fries or onion rings. French fries all the way. I don't really like onion rings. Coke or Pepsi. Definitely Pepsi. Smoothie or juice. I love smoothie, so definitely smoothie. Breakfast or dinner. Definitely dinner. I'm not really a breakfast type of person, but I will have breakfast, but I am big on dinner. Oatmeal or cereal. Definitely cereal. Milkshake or smoothie. Definitely milkshake. Cheese meatball or cheese nuggets. Definitely cheese meatball. I feel like cheese meatball is basically cheesy beef. Cheese nuggets is like cheesy chicken. Like what? Fried fries or mashed potatoes. Definitely mashed potatoes. Reese's Cups or Hershey Kisses. Definitely Hershey Kisses. Sour Patch Kids or Jolly Ranchers. I've never had Sour Patch Kids before, so definitely Jolly Ranchers. Jelly beans or gummy bears. Definitely gummy bears. Snickers or Milky Way. Definitely Snickers. Last one, Skittles or Starburst. 50-50. That is it from me in today's video, guys. I hope you found this content appealing. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.